With over 100 sets of high-grade, precision, and advanced equipment, standard technological process drives our pace. Advanced casting technology enriches our production. From the first steel casting, we have always treated every product devotedly. With complete inspection methods and equipment, we constantly strive for perfection. Behind high-precision products is our rigorous inspection. Behind high quality is our rich experience. Behind high efficiency is our meticulous attention. Through further material and structure optimization, we have increased the service life of slag pots by over 20%. We have successfully optimized over 1,600 slag pots, rolling mill frames, and bearing blocks. We are a long-term partner of international, well-known iron and steel enterprises such as Tata, ArcelorMittal, and CHAENG.